Okay, so if you look at the question here, a contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park, right? So he wants to set it up at a height of 2 meters and by making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. What should be the length of the ground? All right. So in the class, whoever are there, can you please tell me which are the key objects present in the question? What are the objects, key objects in the question? Please send a message to me. What are the key objects he is talking about? There are two objects in the question. There are two objects in the question. What are those? If you read the question, right. Okay, very good. I'm getting answers from everyone. Yes. Of course, many are saying park. Park itself is nothing but the ground. Okay, there are two things there. Objects. Many are saying something like a contractor. Yeah, person is that. But the objects here, it is nothing but, yes, as you all said, it's nothing but the slide and ground. These are the two objects what we have. Slide and ground. Okay, these are the two objects what we are having. Slide and the ground. Okay, Nana. So let's draw the figure basing on that one. Let's draw the figure. Then we will go to the introduction of that. First, what I am doing, I am taking something like ground. So this, I took it as ground. Okay, this is the first object what I have placed. This is the ground what I have taken. Okay, but you are supposed to remember, right? A slide means obviously this will be the slide. Yes, this is the slide what we are talking about. This is the slide what we are talking about. Right, so this is the slide, right? But a slide can't stand with a proper something in an object which is vertical. This is nothing but the rod which we place. Okay, so all together means if you label it, if I take this one as A and if I take B and if I take this one as C, right, all together becomes slide here. You should not take only BC as the slide or AB as the slide, right? This horizontal, right, what we call this is slant piece, slant part of slide, right? And we can say this one as a vertical part of slide, vertical part of slide, right? All together, the vertical part and the slant part all together will become the slide. Okay, that's what. So this is nothing but the slide what we are setting up. And right, can anyone tell me from where to where the height will be? Height of the slide means from where to where we are supposed to take. Height of the slide. Are we going to take it from B to C? That's what my question. Height means always 90 degrees. You are supposed to remember that one. Height means always 90 degrees. Yes, what are all you said? He is 100% right. Right. This becomes the height of the slide. That becomes AB becomes the height of the slide. Okay, now right. Okay, he wants to set up at a height of 2 meters by making an angle with the ground. What should be the length of the slide? Now my next question, you got the height. Can you please tell me what would be the length from where to where we are supposed to choose it as length of the slide? Length of the slide and height of the slide. Yes, many are giving correct answers. Length of the slide. I said you clearly where the L comes at. Right. Where do the L stands for? Yes, I appreciate all the candidates who are telling the answers. So height of the slide is nothing but AB and the length of the slide is nothing but the BC. Now, right. And the next one, what is the next one? Right. He wants to set up at a height of. So what is the height he has already mentioned? What is the height he has already mentioned? Check it out. What is the height? Did he give the height? Yes. Height is given by him as 2 meters. Okay. So height is mentioned it as 2 meters. It's clear cut. Now think about the angle. Right. And by making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. Now my question is, where should be the angle kept? At B or at C? Angle B is equal to 30 degrees or angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Which is correct one here? Angle B or angle C? Which is right? I'm waiting for the answers. Yes. Many are giving correct answers. Yes. Where? No. Right? It can't be at angle B. I already said, to make an angle, we need a horizontal line. Angle should start at horizontal line. Here, AC is the horizontal line. Right? AC is the horizontal line. Angle always should start. And he also said, angle made with the ground. So start at the ground and end at the slant. It is nothing but 30 degrees. That is what he is saying. Right? So everything here, angle C is correct. Angle B is wrong. We should not take that one. Okay. Now let's go for the introduction of the steps. Right? We'll go for the introduction. Yes, we are dealing with the introduction of all the objects, right? The first step, what we are taking here is nothing but height of the slide. Height of the slide. If you go with the height of the slide, comma, it's nothing but AB. First, we went for the sentence, height of the slide. We went for the labeling, AB, right? Then we went for the symbol, it's nothing but H. We went for the magnitude 2 and we went for the units, meters. These are all the 5 things. Okay. The next one is nothing but length of the slide. Length of the slide. So this is the second thing what we are giving, length of the slide, which is nothing but a BC. It's nothing but L. We don't know that. We are supposed to find that length. That is the second point. Now, the third keyword is nothing but angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation with the ground. That's the main point. With the ground. Angle of elevation with the ground, comma, if you go with, it's nothing but ACB is theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so these are nothing but all the 3 points what we are having. Height of the slide we have taken, length of the slide we have taken, and angle of elevation. Here the question is, it's nothing but he is asking us to find the length of the slide. Okay, now we came for the introduction and we came for the, right, it's nothing but what we got, it is figure. Right, now let us go for the diagram what we are having here. So if you go for the diagram, so straight away we are supposed to draw a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle, 90 here, A, B and C, and angle here is nothing but 30 degrees, and here H equals 2 meters, and he is asking us to find the L. Right, this is the given part and this is the questioned part. Given and question. Okay, now if you are standing at 30 degrees, this height becomes the opposite side and the questioned part is nothing but the hypotenuse. Okay, now opposite and hypotenuse, can you please tell me? Right. Okay, can you please tell me what is the relation between opposite and hypotenuse? What is the trig ratio which is connecting opposite side and hypotenuse? Yep. It's nothing but, everyone what you are saying is correct. It's nothing but the sine. Okay, now we are dealing with the calculation. It's the calculation part, right? A diagram we have completed. It's nothing but the diagram part. Okay, now in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. That's clear cut, right? Consider what is the Treg ratio, what we are considering, right? If we are standing at 30 degrees, the one which is questioned is opposite side. And the one which, the one which is given is opposite side, and the one which is questioned is hypotenuse. Consider sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. If you plug in the values, sine theta, theta he is talking about 30 degrees. Opposite, which side is opposite to 30 degrees? It's nothing but AB. And hypotenuse is nothing but BC there, right? Let us plug in the values. Now, sine 30 degrees. Let's find the sine 30 degrees. If you go for logical triangle, in the bottom part, we place 60 degrees. On the top part, we place 30. Opposite to 30, place 1. Opposite to 60, you place 3. And in the hypotenuse, we'll be placing 2. Right? Sine 30 means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but 1 by 2 is equal to AB. He has given it as 2, and the hypotenuse we don't know, place it as L. Now, as we all know, let's cross multiply that one. Let's cross multiply that one. 1 into L is equal to 2 into 2, which equals L is equal to 4 meters. Okay, so if you come to the conclusion part, right? Length of the slide, right? Length of the slide, what we have taken, it's nothing but a BC, symbol is L, and it is 4 meters. So this is how we are going to conclude that what is the length of the